If you've been wanting to learn a crochet, but you're worried it's too hard, or you just don't know where to start, don't worry. This video is made specifically for beginners. In the next few minutes, we're going to turn some simple yarn into something real with our own hands. Crochet isn't just a craft, it's incredibly relaxing and fun. Imagine being able to make your own scarf, a bag, or even a little stuffed doll for your kids using just basic yarn. In this video, I'm going to take the fear away and walk you through it step by step. But before I tell you to grab your hook and yarn, there are a few basics we need to cover to start it right. Pay close attention because a solid foundation is what will keep you going without getting frustrated. By the end of this video, you'll have crocheted your very first straw, step by step and totally stress-free. Ready? Let's jump in. Crochet requires very few tools: yarn and a crochet hook. Start with a medium weight yarn in a light color like white or beige. Dark colors like black or navy will strain your eyes and it will be hard to see exactly where your stitches are. I recommend cotton or an acrylic blend like the popular cotton gold mix. As for the hook, you'll always find the recommended size printed on the yarn label. See the number here? That's the suggested hook size, so stick with that for now. Take a look at this example. What's wrong here? When I used a tiny hook with chunky yarn, the result was stiff, tight, and really hard to work into. On the other hand, using a massive hook here made the stitch too loose and floppy. Balance is the secret. Regarding how to hold the hook, some people prefer the pencil grip, but others like the knife grip. Try both and see what feels natural for you. The most important thing is that your hand doesn't cramp and that you feel in control. Now let's start with the slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your finger, pull a loop through. Wrap the yarn around your finger, pull a loop through. The key here, make sure the knot is flexible. Just slide easily on the hook. If it's too tight, it will be a struggle. If it's too loose, it will fall off. Aim for that just right middle ground. Now for the foundation, the chain stitch. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through the loop in your hook. Repeat. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through the loop in your hook. Look at the shape of the stitch. It looks like letter V. That's exactly what you want. And watch your tension. Don't pull too tight, but don't leave it sag neither. Now we're moving on to our first actual stitch, the single crochet. This is the most important stitch for beginners because it teaches you how to control your hands in your stitch placement. Let's do it together. But before we start, we're going to add one extra chain. I'll explain why later. Insert your hook into the chain, the second one from the hook. Yarn over and pull through. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That's it, that's a single crochet. Insert, yarn over, 2 loops, yarn over again, finish the stitch. Try to make every stitch look like the one before it so your row stays even. Take your time, there's no rush. And just like that, you've finished your very first row of crochet. It might not look perfect yet, and that's totally okay. The most important thing is to practice. Re-watch these steps as many times as you need until it feels like second nature. You'll feel like your hands getting more comfortable with every stitch. In the next video, we'll tackle another essential foundation stitch. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!